Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. Welcome to my kitchen, our kitchen once again. So, as you can see, we are making another dish, another one of my favorites. It's another combination one, so I hope you can make it out. We have keema, we have spinach, which has been frozen, and we have potatoes. Okay, so as many spices as you would like. So these are my favorites, and I'll explain as we are going along. I'm also going to be using tomato puree, and we start off with the usual onions, and we will also need some garlic. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद। जैसा देख सकते हैं हम एक दफ़ा फिर अपने किचन में, और ये सेगमेंट है जी कुकिंग मेड सिंपल। तो ये एक और मेरी जिसे मैं कॉम्बिनेशन डिश कहता हूँ। कीमा होगा, इसमें पालक होगा और पोटैटोस होंगे। ओके जी, बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं। पॉट में 3 tablespoons of oil has been left to warm. Can we put the onions in, please? So how many onions have gone in? Okay, there's 2 small to medium onions, I would say. Okay, going to let that soften for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, the onions have softened really nicely. Shall we put in the keema now, please? So it is 1 kg of mincemeat, keema, mutton keema, and I think the main advice there is to really wash it really well. And now we're going to fry it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so that it's nice and tender, really mixing it in with the onions. Okay, so that's softened really nicely. Can we have the next ingredient, please, which is potatoes? And at the same time, we are going to add some spices. We are going to add what we call or what my mama called the flavor, some spices. Okay, give that a good mix. Can we have some salt in there, please? Okay, lots of salt. Okay, we're adding some turmeric as per taste. Can we have, what's this?
Mixed spice.
Okay, garam masala, mixed spice. Okay, can we add the pepper? This is pepper. Okay, and 1 more chili, please. This is chili going in. Okay, so going to mix that for about 5 minutes. Going to add another ingredient now, garlic, cloves. Okay, नाज़रीन, अब हम लहसुन ऐड कर रहे हैं। कितने क्लोव्स हैं? तो 8-10 होंगे। Okay, love all handies with garlic. Okay, we're going to put the tomato puree in now. Give that a good mix. Okay, it's going to give that a lovely flavour. So as you can see, you've got the cover on, and we're going to let that cook for about 6-7 minutes. Okay, that's nicely ready. Let's put in the final ingredient, which is spinach. So as I say, we do freeze these, because we buy them in season and then freeze them. So these are the final spices, what we call the smell ones. So we have got some paprika going in. What's this one? Okay, ground cloves, and this one ginger, is it? Yeah, ground ginger. Okay, so a little bit of ground ginger. We're going to let that all cook for about 10-12 minutes. There we have it, guys, our keema, aloo and palak. So just gonna garnish it with a few things. What's going on there is ginger. Can we have some fenugreek? And finally my favorite thing, which is coriander dhania. That really adds to the aroma and makes it a wonderful, wonderful dish. Okay, so I do hope you're going to try our very, what can we say, simple dish. Until the next time, I wish you a happy new year. Look after yourselves, look after others. नाज़रीन, उम्मीद है आप ये डिश ट्राई करेंगे. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.